about to leave for dinner in about 20-25 minutes, so before we go I thought it'd be fun to film a quick little get to know me and my sister. And this is my sister Grace. Hi. So we're just gonna ask each other questions about ourselves and make the other person answer it.
I'm starting with an easy one.
Okay.
What is my favorite color?
Yeah, it's orange, but like a burnt orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that scared me. What's my favorite show?
Is it New Girl?
Oh, that's a good one. That actually it is.
Okay.
It is, but what's like a serious one? Because New
Criminal
Girl.
Minds?
Yeah.
Okay.
So New Girl and Criminal Minds, I think, are my favorite shows.
I guess that based off like the frequency that you talk about shows.
Oh.
And you make more references to New Girl than you do Criminal Minds.
That's true.
What's my dream city to live in?
New York.
No, we talked about this like
yesterday.
Shoot. No, actually this morning.
Chicago.
Yeah.
Chicago. Who's my best friend? And I've had multiple throughout my life, but go ahead. Narcut. You can name like 3, because I'm pretty unloyal.
No, if I had to boil it down to 2, it would be Nicole and
Stop.
No, it would be Nicole or Annika.
Oh, slay.
Right?
Yeah. I have no love life, so I mostly talk about my friends or my friend circle with her.
But I like it because I feel like I'm their friend too.
That's true. That's true. Whenever you introduce your sibling to like your best friend or your closest group of friends, they feel like they know each other just because of how much you talk about them. Yeah. If you do.
Yeah, like I feel like my roommate in college knows a lot about my sister.
Yeah, even though we've like...
You guys know a lot about each other, even though...
We've only like talked maybe twice.
Yeah.
In person.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is crazy.
Where do I rank in your sibling list?
I feel like I'm very straightforward with that kind of thing, so I would obviously say number 1. Because, okay, if you... Obviously you don't know, so we're a family of 5 children. I'm the oldest and she's number 2. We grew up together. We went to the same like middle school, high school.
We did the same sports.
We did the same sports. We both went to college in LA. Just because of the proximity in both age and location, I'm closest with her. My other siblings are still pretty young. The things we talk about are more deep or personal, so I would say definitely she ranks number 1.
We have to go to dinner now.
We are running late for dinner. It's, oh shoot.
4 kilos left.
We're going back in June. You'll bring another one.
That's from June later.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Okay.
So the worker was nice.
Yeah.
You eat rice with it?
I think they...
I had it on gyoza. Maybe that's what you're thinking of.
What is going? Oh, no. I got it. There's one here.
Rub it up with your hand.
So we're
Just collect them all and go minute it.
maybe.
So beautiful.